Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Whirlpool Washer 5D error, also called SD or SAD. This error means there are too many suds in the washer or a drain problem, usually caused by using too much detergent or non-HE soap. First, let the washer finish its suds reduction cycle. After that, run an extra rinse or an empty hot wash with vinegar to clear leftover soap. Next, check the drain hose and pump filter for clogs like lint, coins, or debris. Make sure you're using HE detergent and only the recommended amount. This is the most common cause. If the error keeps coming back, the drain pump or water level sensor may need servicing. And that's it. That's how to fix the Whirlpool Washer 5D error. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.